In an awe-inspiring display of military prowess and precision, thousands of U.S. paratroopers recently took part in a massive airborne operation, performing jumps from C-17 Globemaster aircraft. This large-scale event showcased not only the courage and skill of these elite soldiers, but also the incredible capabilities of the U.S. Air Force's heavy lift transport aircraft. This operation involved the coordinated efforts of several divisions of the U.S. military, including airborne troops from the U.S. Army and the U.S. Air Force, working in tandem to execute a complex mission that involved jumping thousands of soldiers into the battlefield. These airborne exercises are designed to simulate real combat situations in which paratroopers must enter hostile or contested territories to secure key positions or perform critical operations. From the moment the operation began, the air was buzzing with excitement and energy. The sheer scale of the mission, involving thousands of soldiers jumping from a fleet of C-17 Globemaster aircraft, was an impressive demonstration of U.S. military readiness. For the soldiers, these jumps were not only a test of physical endurance and mental toughness, but also a reminder of the vital role they play in ensuring military dominance in rapid deployment scenarios. At the heart of this mission was the C-17 Globemaster III, the aircraft responsible for delivering the paratroopers to their drop zone. With its massive size, long range, and ability to carry heavy loads, the C-17 is indispensable for large-scale airborne operations. It has the capacity to transport over 100 fully equipped paratroopers in a single flight, along with their gear, vehicles, and other critical supplies. The C-17's versatility allows it to perform strategic and tactical airlift missions, delivering troops, equipment, and supplies directly into battle zones. It can land on short, rugged runways and operate in austere environments, making it a crucial asset in airborne and rapid response operations. The Globemaster is also capable of in-flight refueling, which extends its operational range and ensures that troops can be deployed virtually anywhere in the world at a moment's notice. Before the soldiers even step onto the tarmac, weeks of rigorous preparation go into ensuring the success of the mission. The troops undergo extensive training in parachute packing, jump procedures, and land navigation. Each paratrooper is assigned specific responsibilities, with the team functioning as a finely tuned machine where every detail is scrutinized to prevent accidents and ensure safety. On the day of the jump, the paratroopers gather at the airfield, fully equipped and ready for action. Their gear includes tactical helmets, combat uniforms, parachutes, and weapons, all of which must be inspected to ensure they are in perfect working order. Senior jump masters meticulously check every piece of equipment, ensuring that harnesses are properly secured and parachutes are packed correctly. The soldiers move in tight formation toward the waiting C-17s, their faces filled with determination. As they board the aircraft, they are acutely aware of the significance of the mission and the need for absolute focus. The interior of the aircraft is packed with soldiers seated shoulder to shoulder, waiting for the moment they will step into the sky. Once the C-17 take off and begin their ascent, the tension inside the aircraft is palpable. The soldiers sit silently, mentally preparing for what lies ahead. The jump altitude is typically around 1,000–1,500 feet for a mass tactical jump. Though higher altitudes are sometimes used for specialized operations. The paratroopers are trained to remain calm under pressure, but even seasoned veterans feel the rush of adrenaline as the moment approaches. The aircraft levels out as it reaches the drop zone, and the soldiers receive their final instructions from the jump masters. The red light inside the aircraft flashes, signaling the approach to the jump point. The rear ramp lowers, and the open sky is revealed with the vast terrain below. The wind whips through the aircraft as the green light turns on. This is the signal to go. With the green light shining, thousands of us paratroopers leap from the C-17s in rapid succession. In a matter of minutes, the sky is filled with soldiers descending under the large domes of their parachutes. The sight is both stunning and intimidating, an organized wave of military force descending upon their target. The paratroopers exit the aircraft in groups, each carefully timed to avoid collisions in the air. The precision is breathtaking, with hundreds of soldiers exiting the planes at breakneck speed. The sheer number of jumpers in the air is a powerful visual statement, showing the incredible coordination and training of the U.S. military. Once the paratroopers leave the safety of the aircraft, they enter a few seconds of freefall before their parachutes deploy. These moments are crucial. Each soldier must be fully aware of their surroundings, reacting instantly to any changes in wind or environmental conditions. The parachute's successful deployment is followed by a controlled descent, during which the paratroopers scan the landing zone and prepare for impact. As the paratroopers descend, they remain in constant communication with each other and their team leaders, ensuring that they maintain formation and land as close together as possible. Upon reaching the ground, the soldiers quickly unhook from their parachutes, grab their weapons, and secure the area. Despite the precision of the jump, the mission is far from over. Once on the ground, paratroopers face the immediate challenge of regrouping and assessing the situation. They are trained to be fully combat ready as soon as they land, prepared to engage enemy forces or complete their objectives. In some operations, heavy equipment vehicles and additional supplies are also dropped from the C-17 Globemaster, providing paratroopers with the resources they need to sustain combat or establish forward operating bases. Large-scale airborne operations like this serve as a critical component of modern military strategy. Paratroopers can be deployed quickly into any part of the world, establishing a foothold in enemy territory, securing key locations, or providing rapid reinforcement to friendly forces. The ability to deliver thousands of troops behind enemy lines is a key advantage in military planning, and airborne forces are often the first boots on the ground in many operations. The coordination between the U.S. Air Force and Army during such jumps demonstrates the importance of joint operations in modern warfare. The speed and scale at which troops can be deployed using aircraft like the C-17 Globemaster give the U.S. military a strategic edge in global operations. The recent jump of thousands of U.S. paratroopers from C-17 Globemaster aircraft was a powerful demonstration of military readiness, precision, and coordination. From the disciplined preparation to the extreme jumps, these elite soldiers showcased their ability to perform under pressure and execute complex missions with unparalleled precision. The role of the C-17 Globemaster as the workhorse of such airborne operations cannot be overstated. Its ability to transport massive numbers of troops, equipment, and supplies into combat zones makes it an invaluable asset for rapid deployment and global reach. For the paratroopers, these crazy jumps are more than just a physical challenge. They represent the heart of what it means to serve, pushing the limits of human endurance, skill, and teamwork in defense of their nation.